So hi guys, let's design this simple birthday flyer using Pixellab.
So I here I'll use 1024 and then the default height, which is 1280. So here is a canvas that we are going to use. I'll delete this default text and then I will go to my gallery and then I will import the background. So let me resize this background. Yeah, so let me centralize it. Alright, here we go. I will go and lock the layer. Then I will go to my gallery again and then import the image. So if you look at the image here, this side of the image has been faded, so I actually use an app called PSCC. If you don't know how to use the PSCC, I will leave a link on the description menu so that you can actually go and learn how to use it. Alright, here we go. So I will increase the size here, increase the size a little bit. Yeah, so what I will do now is I will increase the saturation a little bit. Increase the saturation. This one is okay. So I will go to my gallery again and then import the other image. Let me go with this. Yeah, I'll just leave it toward this axis. I will also increase the saturation a little bit to pop it up. Alright, here we go with this. So let me just make this one to be downward a little bit. Yeah, yes, this is good. Let me lock the layers. So I'll go to my text and then write the text here. I have already copied the text, so let me paste it here. So here we go. Let me change the color to the black and then I'll go to my font here and then I will choose this mustard medium. Let me decrease the size. So let's see, I will leave it here. Let's see, I will leave it here. Just like this. Yeah, this is good. So I will go to text here and then write the name of the celebrant, which is Maria. This is actually Moses Bliss' wife. So let me just write it here. Then I will change the color to this. So let me go to my fonts. I will choose this font here, Authentic Urban. So I will increase the size here. Increase the size, increase the size, increase the size. Yeah. Here is good. So this is good actually. Yeah, I'll go with this. So I'll copy this and then write barrister. It's actually a barrister. So I'll just leave it like this. Let's say I will write it in uppercase letter. And I'll drag it towards here. Move it towards here. Seems like let me just increase the size. Yeah. So for this I will turn the color to this pink. No, let me make it black. No, this pink is not popping. So let me just increase it like this. So here we go with this actually. So I will copy this again and then write happy birthday mom. I will decrease the size and I will increase the spacing. just leave it like this. So I'll go to my gallery and import a kind of something. So let's say I import this, and then I will decrease the size and put it around this axis, and decrease the size. I just make it around this axis. So let me go with text, which is 20th. Let's say 20th. August. Yeah. So what are we going to do now? I will go to font here and then change the font. So I'll go to line spacing and then decrease the line spacing a little bit, and then I will decrease the size. Then I will fix it toward this axis. Yep. So here we go. Here we go with this actually. So what next? Yeah, I'm supposed to put something. So let me go to my gallery. So let's say I'll put this. Yeah. Let me just put this around this axis. Let me decrease the size. Yeah. So I will copy this and then put it around this axis also. A little bit. So if I like, I will just play with these colors. So let's see. Yeah, this is good. So I will create a shape. Create a shape, and then fix it toward this axis. Yeah, let me go and decrease the opacity and then increase the stroke. Let's say the stroke to be, let's see there. And then I will make it to be this color. Yeah, this is extremely hard. So let me use the erase tool and let me do some kind of something. So first here, this one is more bigger, so I'll fix it here. Yeah, good. So here we go. Let me just move her picture. Yeah. So for this, I will decrease the opacity. I don't want it to pop up. Oh, good. Yeah, here we go. So let me just download my image. Let me just save my work. So I think we are done with this Pixellab. So let me go to Pixellab. This is something that I already did. So let's do it together, man. Let me click edit, and I'll import the image that we just designed. So what will happen now is I will go to add photo. Let me search for this. Let me just use this. Decrease the size, the opacity, sorry. Then I will go to blending. Let me make it multiply. This multiply is looking somehow. Screen. This multiply is looking somehow. Light overlay. Let me go for dark. Dark. Let me go with this dark. So I'll go to this eraser and then erase the color. Sorry, not the color. Let me not say color. Erase the parts. So I'll just drag this part here, drag this part, touch it to erase it. Yeah, I don't need the part to be affected. I need the main color to pop up. Yeah. So here we go. Yes, this is it. So if I want, I will go to my photo again and then add some effects. That is how some people usually call it, effects. Yeah, man. Where is my download? So let me just add some effect. Where is my effect? So let me just add this. Add it. Increase the size, and then so for the opacity. Some people call it opacity, not opacity. So it depends. So just look at how we will use it. Let me go to blend. Go to screen. Overlay is too lighter, so let me just use. Shall I use this? Yeah, this is looking awesome, but I need to get some parts. Looks like, why is it? Let me drag it a little bit, and let me erase some parts. Yes. Let me increase the brush size. Yeah. Erase some parts. Sorry. Erase some parts. I don't need some parts to show. Let's go with this. Yeah, let's go with this. So I will reduce the opacity actually. I'll reduce the opacity so that the areas part cannot look somehow. So let me go and save my work. Yeah, it's actually the same. Man, I just wait for it. Yeah, it has been saved. So let me go to Lightroom. Here we go. So here's Lightroom. Let me just import what we did. Yeah, here is it. So I'll go to effects first and increase the texture a little bit, clarity. Yeah, so I'll go to details and then increase the sharpening. Need it to be sharp, reduction, noise. Yeah, and then color reduction. Yeah, man. Let me go to lights and increase the exposure. Some small lighter. So this one you just have to play with it a little bit. Yeah, let me go with this. So let me go to color and then increase a kind of, let me just play with this. I don't want the effect to be that much. Yeah. So just play with it the way you want it. So let's say I want it like this. I can go and save my work. You can actually see I can go and save my work here. Save a copy to my device. So you just have to wait for it a moment. Just have to wait for it, so you can actually view it view it. And view. Alright, here is our work. You can actually see how clear it is. Actually, thank you very much for your time. If you find this to be very useful, consider subscribing and share. Turn the like icon. Please, thank you for your time. Do have a nice day. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you. You can comment if you have any question. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.